Can't believe I'm right here with the governor of Oklahoma and other outstanding leaders from Google and from our state. My name is Tayvon Lewis, and I'm a husband, a father, music producer, former state employee, as well as a graduate of the Google UX program. My dream is to improve the lives of millions by leveraging technology to develop innovative and creative solutions that help solve the challenges children and families face across our state. This is what led me to explore UX as a potential career path. Going through the adversity I've been through, I never would have imagined I'd be standing right here in front of you all today. I faced adversity very early on at birth. My mother struggled with substance abuse. I tested positive for substances in my system, and this led me to being placed in the foster care system. I was then bounced around from different foster homes to being completely separated from my biological family. Thankfully, I was adopted by an amazing family, but my identity was taken. I was a lost boy, now I'm a found man. I know many of you have faced challenges and adversity this year, and just like all of you, I've seen how adversity can push us to become the better version, the best version of ourselves, and adversity gives us the strength to be the people we are today. My tech journey began where I built a website from scratch to sell my instrumentals to artists all over the world. The more I iterated on this website, the more my passion for UX design grew, and today I'm proud to say that my website ranks #1 on Google for the hottest beats online. And one of my instrumentals even made it onto an episode of Law and Order. My growing interest in UX inspired me to participate in a program with some great friends teaching 3rd and 4th graders at Martin Luther King Elementary how to code and use technology. This experience highlighted how essential these skills are for the future success of the next generation. And it made me realize these skills can also empower those who are most vulnerable in our communities. Consider our most vulnerable and at-risk population, the inmates who just got released, families involved with child welfare, people living in poverty or struggling financially. These individuals need supportive resources and a pathway to help them achieve their goals, a pathway to making more money, a pathway to become better parents, and a pathway to conveniently learning new in-demand skills. That is what motivated me to pursue the Google UX certificate. I have degrees in criminal justice and computer science. I work full-time, I'm a business owner, but I struggled to get promoted upwards and land a job in tech. This is where the Google UX certificate changed my life. This program offers courses in a visually engaging, easy to understand format, allowing you to learn at your own pace. It taught me in-demand skills that opened up multiple pathways in a competitive job market. I use these skills in multiple ways now to improve the lives of people across our state and across the nation, to serve the greater good of our communities by understanding their needs and how their experience is with a product, a brand, a service, or a system. This program taught me essential skills in design, prototyping, interviewing, creating journey maps, gathering quantitative and qualitative data, and then presenting it. I've since combined my interest in UX with my passion for social impact, including serving on the Governor's Child Welfare Task Force, and then I also helped with the development of a statewide trauma-informed care website called Resilient Oklahoma. I applied these skills directly from the UX certificate, and I'm super grateful that I had these skills to help with those projects. I'm thankful that I had the opportunity to use these skills to work on large-scale, impactful projects with some of the best leaders in Oklahoma. Thanks to these skills, my business, Tay Technologies, landed its first contract where I'm working with national partners supporting the family well-being movement. My future goal is to become a product manager. My adversity was the fire inside that fueled my passions. It's what gave me the strength to keep going. It gave me the strength to be resilient and strive for better. Always work hard and do your best because you never know who is watching. Thank you to Google for providing these amazing resources and to the state of Oklahoma for making this available to others. Thank you.